In a quiet woodland meadow, the season begins with the smallest changes. A rabbit in a neatly buttoned coat pauses beside a single yellow bloom, pushing bravely through the soil. Another discovers pale speckled eggs resting safely in the moss. A bird with a soft ribbon watches from a low branch while a smaller one tests its wings for the very first time. Butterflies drift through the warming light, and a young deer steps gently between the trees that are only just beginning to green. Nothing arrives all at once. There are no grand announcements, only subtle shifts, soft colors returning, and little moments waiting to be noticed. It is the meadow in the earliest days of the season, when blossoms are few, grass brightens in patches, and the world feels as though it is quietly practicing something new. These are the gentle awakenings and tender discoveries that shape Little Signs of Spring. This collection brings that woodland story to life through soft watercolor journal pages, delicate meadow scenes, and small animal companions dressed for the changing season. You'll find fully illustrated pages designed for writing and layering, along with coordinating ephemera, tags, pockets, journal cards, and so much more, all created in a muted early spring palette of sage, robin's egg blue, parchment cream, warm earth tones, and touches of butter yellow. Decorative background papers in subtle gingham, textured neutrals, and soft watercolor washes provide gentle foundations for layering, while additional printable elements offer butterflies, blossoms, woodland details, and companion animals to expand your storytelling. Little Signs of Spring can be found in my Etsy shop. You'll find the link in the description box.